Thank you for choosing Phillips Chevrolet.
This sensational 2006 Chevrolet Cobalt is backed by GM's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain limited warranty. It's equipped with a fuel-sipping 2.2-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, a reliable automatic transmission, has the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive, and has only 38,084 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an RDS audio system with an AM/FM radio and a CD player, a 4-speaker sound system and audio anti-theft protection. It also gets an estimated 34 miles per gallon on the highway, and 25 in the city. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and for your comfort this sedan has an illuminated entry system and air conditioning, and not to mention that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. All GM-certified vehicles pass a rigorous 117-point inspection and reconditioning process, to ensure that you can drive away with no worries. Call or come by today to schedule a test drive.
Phillips Chevrolet is located at 33 West Lincoln Highway, between Route 30 and 45 in Frankfort, Illinois.